Let's take a look at how to perform a cartwheel. It's a dynamic element in which we pass through a handstand position. The beginning is the same as entering a handstand. Take a long lunge, place the first hand with external rotation, the second one parallel and further ahead than the first. At the same time, make a strong kick with the rear leg and push off from the supporting leg. Transfer the weight onto the hands and land by placing one foot down first, then the other. Finish in a straddle stance. Aim to perform the cartwheel in a straight line. For the right leg, place your hands with the fingers pointing to the right. For the left leg, place your hands with the fingers pointing to the left. The limbs are placed one after another. As for preparation, the key is the handstand entry. Kick up. Practice a straddle handstand with weight transfer. Bridge rocks are excellent for warming up the shoulders. Add leg swings or raises in all directions. Forward, sideways, and backward. Practice on both legs. To learn the push-off, perform quick step-ins from a kneeling lunge position, then add a jump. Practice side vaults, and for the more difficult version, try them with one leg lifted. Regarding progression, we start exactly the same as with the kick up to handstand. On an elevated surface, place the hands and switch the legs in the air. Then do the same with a slight sideways shift, jumping over an obstacle. As you progress, increase the height of the obstacle. Next, apply the same progression on a flat surface. Start with a low obstacle, gradually increasing its height. You can add a second hoop to focus on the sequence of hand placement. In the following drill, perform a simplified cartwheel so that the legs pass over both gym sticks. Gradually increase the angle as you progress, aiming for a straight line with the sticks set at 180 degrees. Next, practice the cartwheel down a wedge. Finally, perform the cartwheel between two mats, gradually narrowing the gap between them. Here are some of the most common mistakes and quick fixes. That's all when it comes to the cartwheel. Practice safely, and good luck.